Okay. Magnet. Yep. Yeah. Very good. Please, you can lower your hands. I see your hands. Or if you have anything special, you can unmute and say it. Good. Good. So, can you all see my screen? It good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. That's good. Um, that's good. Please mute your mic so that you have a clear. I'm trying to record, so you have a clear recording for those who are not here. We have about 10 people on the call so far. Well, my name is Augustine Senor. Some of you may know me, and others are new. So, I'm a teacher in Winneba Senior High School, and I've been trading forex for almost for 2 years and some months now. And mostly, I get people ask me to teach them how to trade. So that's the reason why I created the group we have now, and then I'm trying to introduce you to forex trading as is, so that we all be on the same page. At least with the current economy and how things are going, we believe if you are able to make some few dollars for yourself, you'll be okay based on the exchange rates that we see these days. So that's the main reason why I created the group, and I want to be taking you through the basics of forex trading for you to know your one or two things you have to do, then you can be on your own. This group is going to be here for almost 2 months, and if the responses are good, we will continue for about to the end of the year, where I hope those of you who are serious to really learn would get the concept and you can trade on your own. That's the main reason we are here today. So I've made good gains in the market, and I've made some losses as well, but you should know that just like any business, you lose some days and you win some days. Obviously, my wins are bigger than my losses, so I'm still in this. I want to show you just some of my withdrawals so that you also understand. Yes, let me share this. So if you see this page, this is one of the brokers or a platform I trade with. You see my deposit, and you can also see my withdrawal. So I've deposited around 1,388 and I've withdrawn 4,350 $28.1. So we have about $3,000 profit on the market so far. So this is what I've able to accomplish with just one of the platforms I trade with. So just imagine this in your local currencies. It's quite good and huge. It's almost about my annual salary. My withdrawals are almost equal to the amount of money I receive at the end of the year. So this is a good thing that you can pursue and then make a living of if you are serious with it. Going forward, let's look at some of the misconceptions. Please, Does any of you have any questions so far? You can raise up your hand and you ask before we go ahead. Any question? You can unmute and ask your question, please. Give me thumbs up if you want us to continue and you have no question. Thumbs up or type 1 in the comment section. You should go ahead. Saki, please, are you asking a question? Saki, can you hear me? Are you asking a question? Yeah, we will talk about all those in the presentation. Okay, so let's mute. Yes. Hello, I can hear you. Yeah, Saki, I can hear you. Okay, Saki was asking if you can trade on your laptop. We'll go ahead with that. Let me go ahead with the presentation. Then, when I'm done, you can ask your questions if I don't touch on any of the things you wanted to ask. Okay, so going forward, let's look at the main thing we'll talk about is misconceptions about forex trading. What forex trading is not that people think forex trading is. First of all, is a get rich quick. Most people think that, oh, just if you enter forex trading, you make money right away. It's not like that. Just like any other business, you have to master the craft before you begin to make massive profits if you want. Forex trading is basically something you have to progress and develop in. You don't just become the best footballer in one day. It's the same thing. So forex trading is a gradual build up on your skills. You can be lucky and get a big win in your first day of trading. Trust me, that will not last long. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You will not get rich the very first day or the very first month you start trading. It doesn't happen like that. It's gradual. It takes, on the average, it takes about 1.5 years and above, depending on how fast you are to learn and how dedicated and disciplined you are to your trading strategy, to be able to make massive returns from your trading skills. So do you get that right? It's not a get rich quick scheme. And forex trading is not something that is short term. It's a long term. Forex trading has been in existence for years, or for about 3 decades now. Forex trading started around 1980s, the 1990s, and forex trading is still around. Individuals trade in the financial market. It's still allowed, and it's a long-term thing. You don't just trade one day and you wake up and all the platform you used to trade is no more or something like that. This is someone's full-time job. People you hear in the US, you watch movies like The Big Short. There are big banks that trade forex. So it shows you that forex trading is not going away anytime soon. That's on that. Then forex trading is not a scam, please. There are people who will take advantage of trading to scam other people, but the actual trading thing is not a scam. Please get that. People will try to collect your money that they will trade for you and you not hear from them. That's the individuals engaged in the forex market or pursuing or carrying themselves as forex traders to defraud others. But the actual trading thing is legal and it's not a scam. Forex trading again is not affiliate marketing. Most of you might have come across affiliate marketing, where you'll be asked to introduce people to join a platform so that you get rebates or get rewards. As you get more people, your rebate or your rewards increases. That's what you are talking about. That's not forex trading. That's not forex trading. You don't have to introduce anybody. Forex trading, it's you and your charts or the market you are trading. So these are the misconceptions that you face. Forex trading is not any of these. There are other misconceptions that you can ask me later and we'll talk about. Let's go to the next slide. So you ask, what actually is forex trading? The basic term you can talk about with forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies. Most of us, I don't know if you've tried to go, if you've gone to the Forex Bureau to exchange what you have, the currency you have, which is our CD, for another currency. You realize that there are different things that goes on there. Just as we are in the world, we don't all have one common currency. So every country have their own currency. As Ghana, we use the Ghana cedis. People in Togo and then the francophone countries, they use CFA, and other people from Nigeria, their currency they spend is the naira. So this is the reason why forex trading cannot go away anytime soon, because I don't think every country in the world will agree to use the US dollar as their main source of exchange for goods and services. It will never happen in the world. Hence, forex trading would never go away. So other people, when you enter another country, you would need to get their currency so that you'll be able to buy and sell things within the country. That's where forex trading comes in. You have to get their currency. And the basic thing is that when you go to any forex bureau to buy a currency, you either buy or you sell. What they ask you is that, are you buying our currency or you are selling? There is a difference between the price for buying, and there's a difference between there's a different price for selling. When you are selling what you have, let's say you have $1 and you go to the Forex Bureau and you want to sell it today, the Forex Bureau will buy it at a cheaper price. Why? Let's say the dollar rate is now 15 cedis. It's a little bit higher than that. It's 15 cedis. When you go to the Forex Bureau to sell your dollar 15 cedis, you say, oh no, I'm not going to give you 15 cedis. I'll give you like 14.5 cedis for your dollar. But on the international market or in the Ghanaian market, you know that the dollar is 15 cedis, but the person buying it will not give you the exact price. Why? Because the person wants a profit, so he buy your dollar at a cheaper price. Then when someone comes to buy it from him, he or she will sell it at a higher price. Note, so if the person buys the dollar from you for 14 cedis or 14.5 cedis, he keeps it. When the next person comes to buy a dollar from him or her, you sell it at 15 cedis, 50 pesos. What is the gain here? The person has gained around 1 cedi just from that transaction, just from that $1 transaction. So imagine with just $1, the person is getting 1 cedi. If you are to exchange like $1,000, the person right there, the person makes 1,000 cedis off just the difference of buying $1,000 from you with that small rate addition and selling it at the other rate. You understand it? That's what we do as forex traders. We take the currency, we predict where it will go, and the small fractions that come on it, that's where you make profit as traders. Are we okay? Then the forex market is the largest financial market in the world, I hope most of you have heard of Wall Street and the others. You've heard of the stock market where bonds and other companies sell their assets and all those things. That sector is about forex trading is about 20 times bigger than the US stock exchange. Why? Because look at the number of countries and the currencies they have and the exchange. People are exchanging it. You have to buy this currency. If you are traveling to the US or the UK, you have to get the pound. You have to exchange all your CD into pound. That happens almost every day. People do that. That's on the physical side. So the forex market is very big. So it has over 7.5 trillion exchange per day. Just look at the number. Almost 7.5 trillion dollars worth of money is exchanged per day all around the world. So the forex market is very big, and this money, you can take your share of it if you're a trader. If you have the right system in place to get profit, you can make about $20 in a day. You can make about $10 in a day. So let's say if you get $10 every day for a month, how much are you making? That's a huge sum of money. That's what trading is about, and you get to know that the forex market does not require a physical location. This one, based on technology and advancement in internet, these days trading is more or less a numbers game. You don't have to go to a bank to trade. Gone were the days about in the 90s, people had to make a call to their brokerage firm to tell them, okay, buy this for me at this rate and sell this or that. But these days you have it on your mobile phone. You can just press, by the press of a tab, you can buy a currency, and by the press of the same tab you can sell another currency. So you don't have a physical location. You can trade at the comfort of your own room. So this is where one man said to me, now these days if you are not smart, you think people in their rooms are scammers and they are scamming people for money, but most of these people are actually working and getting paid right on the internet. That's where the world is now, and forex trading is that kind of skill. You can walk around the world anywhere and trade, so far as you have access to the internet and you have your laptop and all those things, or you have your phone. That's it. You can trade anywhere in the world, so there is no physical location. You don't have to wake up in the morning and dress in a suit and tie to go to work to trade. No. And the forex market is open 24 hours for 5 days. The forex market is open for from Monday, or no, mostly it's Sunday. That's Sunday. What am I? It's open from Sunday in the evening. I'm using Ghanaian time. Mostly it opens around 8 p.m. Ghana time to and the forex market closes around Friday around the same time. Because forex trading is legal and it's mostly done by controlled by banks, it's open on the weekday and it closes on the weekend. No forex trader is allowed or would be able to trade on the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, you can't trade. However, you can trade cryptocurrencies. Just like forex trading, you can also trade crypto. You know, crypto is 24/7. The crypto market does not sleep. So you can trade crypto, you can trade Binance, USD, you can trade USDT, Ethereum, and all those things. They are allowed. They are on the trading platform. With the knowledge in forex trading, you can apply that to crypto trading as well. So that is it. You trade in the weekdays. So you hear most forex trading saying the weekends are boring. You ask yourself, most of us, the kind of work we are doing, we are the weekdays. Nobody likes the weekdays, especially Mondays. But forex traders are very happy on a Monday morning because why? Because they are going to make money. their work starts and they are happy because they make money from the forex market. I hope you understand. And let's go to this. Which people participate in forex trading? This is where you have to understand that forex trading is a bigger industry. It's not just one person sitting in the room and making trades, buying and selling currencies. There are bigger institutions that trade currency, forex. One is your central bank. In this case, we have BOJ. That's the Bank of Ghana. In the case of Ghana, the Bank of Ghana is very involved in the trading of currencies. You see how banks operate. Whatever money they get, they take it back to the Bank of Ghana. And Bank of Ghana is in charge of the printing of Ghanaian currency and distribution of the Ghanaian currency. You understand? So if another country wants a bigger amount of your currency, guess who is in charge of that transaction? It's the Bank of Ghana. You understand? And even when the government borrows, it goes to the Bank of Ghana and it's converted into the cedi for us. All the inflation and everything is controlled by the Bank of Ghana here. So these people are involved in trading, and so meaning there is a legal aspect to forex trading. Even the Bank of Ghana is involved in the forex trading. Then we have the next one. We have institutions or companies, bigger companies, like you have your Coca-Cola. Is a big company. Coca-Cola is not from Ghana, right? They have to repatriate their monies they make. When you buy Coca-Cola, you buy it in cedis. In the end, the branch of Coca-Cola in Ghana, after making monies, they have to send the returns or the profit back to the mother company. What are they going to take that money in? It's going to be in dollars. They are not interested in taking your cedis anywhere. They have to exchange whatever cedi they got for $1 so that they can take it to their parent company. You understand? They are also involved in the trading of forex. So the forex market is very big. Then we have institutions, institutional investors. We have big hedge funds. I hope you've heard of hedge funds. They are people who take other people's money to invest in the forex market or the stock market with the aim of making profit. You understand? So you can have someone, a well-known investor in the world is now who you have one Buffett, who is one of the biggest investors. They are all involved in the Ron Buffett is not directly involved in forex trading, but there are companies that can be under him that trades forex market. There are people who have bigger institutions take people's money and they trade for them to get profit from that. Those are called the hedge funds. They are all in the forex market. Then we have your ordinary commercial banks, which are involved in forex trading. These people are the main players in forex trading. They move the forex market. If legally you are going to exchange a currency, apart from the forex bureau, where else do you exchange your currency? You have to go to the commercial bank, and they have their rates and what you get them at. Aside that exchange with individuals, they also trade big time on the financial market. So they influence the movement of currency pairs. You have the US dollar against other currencies and all those things. Again, we have individuals like you and I who will be involved in trading. We are physically involved with the physical money, and digitally as forex traders, where we seek to make gains from our phone and all those things. We are also involved in forex trading. However, the kind of trade we do does not directly influence the movement of prices of currencies. That's the case. What you do is fractions. These people are trading in millions of dollars, millions of dollars, USD. They are trading in millions. Some goes into the billions. So your small trades that you take about $1,000 or $500 does not shake these people. Do you understand? But we are also participants in the market. Then we have brokers. Brokers are the people that have given you and I access to the financial market that we're able to trade forex and make profits. What brokers do is that they take people orders. If someone is selling their dollar, they are there to take their order so that when someone wants to buy, they exchange it for them. They do that very quick. They use machines. Previously, it was people, you have stock brokers who take their orders. These days, it's executed by AI, algorithm, and all those things. So very fast. So these people facilitate our trading. So the link I sent in our group earlier with Xness is a link to a broker site. That's where we'll be able to take our trades. That will allow us to take our trades in and out. You do your buy and your sell. So these people are the market participants. There is one thing I didn't add. That's the government. The government is involved in trading, forex trading. You realize when the dollar rate is moving up and the cedi is depreciating, everybody is against the government, right? Ghana government is not performing, the cedi is depreciating, the economy is hard. So the government directly will want to maintain their currencies. They want to maintain their currency as long as possible so that it will be stable for investors to come in and invest and do all those things. So Ghana government or government of countries are involved in trading their currency. They want to make sure their currency is stable and good for investors to come in. Very soon, you have Ghana going for dollars or from IMF. When the money comes, the Ghana cedi will be stable for a while and all those things. So government is also involved in the forex market. I hope you get me. If you are okay so far, please drop one or a like on the a like so that I'll know I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you are following so far. Okay. So let's proceed to the next slide. The next slide talks about the Forex Broker. In our forex trading, what we need most, or where we'll be doing most of our transaction, is on the broker platform. That's in this case, we will be using this broker, Xness. So they are the ones that will give you access to the financial market. Previously, talking about the market participants, you need huge sums of money to trade the financial market, or you need a bigger leverage to trade the financial market. During those days, if you don't have at least $100,000 in your account, you cannot trade the forex market, for that matter. However, these days, with your small $10, you can be able to trade because of Forex Brokers. They give us access to bigger leverage. They give you what you call leverage, a margin. So they'll give you, if you deposit $10, they will multiply the money you deposited by 10,000. So you have like $100,000 to trade. However, it's that your small $10,000, $1,000 or $100 you deposited, that's what you are going to use for the trade. When you lose that $10 from that 10,000, your money is gone. The rest of the money, they take it away. They are giving you access to the financial market to trade. So these people are the facilitators of that. And most of them are, we call them market makers. They make the market. They keep the orders. So you buy, you sell. So they take your buy, they give you someone else's selling points to you. They take someone else's who wants to buy, then they give your sell to the person. That's what they are. If you have been in sports betting before, we have different sports betting platforms, but we have one football game. You understand? So all of them have their odds and what they are placing. That is the broker. So you have bet platforms like Betway, you have Sporty. Those are the brokers. They are the bookmakers. They don't have direct influence on the game, but they have odds that you can win a certain amount and they will pay you. That's what the brokers are. The brokers does not control the price of the currencies. They don't control the price of US dollar against the pound. No, they are only gatekeepers. If you predict that the market or the dollar will rise against the pound and you are right, the profit you make, they give it to you. If someone predicted it wrong, they take that person's profit. And they take it from the person, so the person loses and you gain. That's what the forex market is, and that's what brokers do. I hope it's clear. So you have to get your broker platform to be able to trade forex and make returns. Without the broker, you cannot make any profit at the end of the day. I hope it's clear. These are other examples of brokers that we have around. These are all brokers. These are brokers. You can check them out, but for our training purposes we are going to use Xness. That's what I can monitor what you are doing and give advice, as well as guide you to what to do. Yes, now the question Saki asked, the tools you need as a serious forex trader. If you want to trade properly, you would need a phone, a smartphone. You don't need the app. You need a smartphone to trade the financial market. So a phone that can access the internet. If you have a phone, it's good, but you also need a laptop. You don't, if you are starting out, you can use your phone to trade and everything. It's not by force to get a laptop. However, with the laptop, you get a wider screen to be able to see your charts as we have them here. You can see your charts and everything to make analysis. But with the phone, you have a smaller screen compared to the laptop. So it's advisable that you have a laptop so that you can analyze your trades and see the bigger picture before you take your trades on your smartphone. So you need a phone, and if you have the means, you need a laptop as well. Then we also have the software. These were hardwares. So these are softwares you would need for your trading. Obviously, you have to have access to the internet to be able to trade most of the time. So you have to have access to the internet. And the trading platforms do not consume that much data. These are small megabytes or kilobytes that they just some few transactions, few internet, small data to get you to execute your trades and read your chart. That's all. Then you need a broker. That's what we talk about, Xness. You need this to be able to trade. You need this on your phone or on your laptop. Mostly you can have this on your phone, and you need these trading platforms. We have MT4 and MT5. I hope most of you have seen these symbols as well. These are universal platforms that allows you to take trade. The reason is that you can have several different brokers. You can have different brokers, but if you have one of these, MT4 or MT5, you can be able to see the same thing and have the same buy and sell button throughout. So you have your account with one, then you link your account to the MT4 or MT5. You link our account to 2, then you'll be able to take your trade here without going back to the 1. Once you make profits at 2, you have to come to 1 to do your withdrawal. This is where you get paid. 1 is where you get paid. 2 is just to help you do your buy and sell. That's your trading platform. Once you make the money, you come here to do your withdrawal. And the reason is, if you don't have one of these, the brokers also have their platform. They have their own platform, but it's different. When you go to one platform, your sell button is at the top. When you go to a different broker, your sell button is at the bottom. It's in the middle also. But with the MT4 and MT5, you have the same interface throughout to be able to place your trades and all those things. So you need to get these 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about 3. 3 is trading view. That's where you do your analysis. Let me show you a trading view. I want to show you how trading view looks like. That's the platform you do your analysis so that you'll be able to take your trade in the long run. This is how trading view looks like. It's the trading platform. You don't necessarily buy or sell here. Please, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Give me a thumbs up if you see the screen. So this is how the trading view looks like. Yep. Can you see them? Yes, good. This is how trading view looks like. You do your analysis and everything on this platform. So this with the red and blue line, we'll talk about them. So you do, okay, you are projecting but that based on the charts, the market is going to sell or is going to buy. Then you go to your MT4 to place your trade. I hope you understand. That's how it is. So mostly you'll be using your MT4 on your trading view on your laptop, and you have your MT4, MT5 on your phone, because that's handy. You can go anywhere and check your trade on the MT4 without your laptop, because that's where you can close and open your trade directly. Then let me go back to the the slides again. So that is the main thing with trading view. So trading view gives you access to the charts that you'll be able to trade. That's trading view here. And this is basically what you would need for us to continue. In our lesson tomorrow, you have to get 1, 2, and 3 so that we will proceed. I'll show you how to link your broker account to your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Then if you have a laptop, still you can have the trading view on your phone to do your analysis. Then we will look at that too. So in tomorrow's lesson, we are going to connect our trading platform and look at what is in the trading platform, the interfaces that we have with this and with this one as well. So I think that will be all for today. If you have questions, you can ask. Then we will draw the curtain to a close. Please, you can raise your hand and I'll allow you to ask your question. Who is first? There are 3 hands raised. Saki, your hand is up. You can unmute. If you have a question, you can ask. Yeah, I can hear you, Saki. Yeah, most of you are talking about network. Brown says no question from me, please. I understand everything. Okay. Any question? If you cannot talk, you can also type out your question so that you proceed. Are we okay? I don't know. Is John on this call? Is John?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Do you have any question? Okay. So if there are no questions, I think that's the main thing. I will share the link for the broker so that please try to register and get the other apps I've talked about so that we'll connect them and look at what to do. The good thing is that when we start trading, you are not going to use your real money. You are going to use a demo money. That's the beauty of it. Before you know your left and right, that's where you deposit money to trade. But for now, we are going to use, we call it paper trading. You are going to use fake money. Yeah. So we will set account to monies that we can deposit when we are able to deposit our money or when we start trading. Yeah, hello. I think there was an issue with the network. Um, are we all okay? Good. Yeah, Ebenezer, do you have a question? Please, if you have a question, unmute and just ask. That will be all. If there is no question, we will be closing our meeting for today. Yes. Yes, I can hear you, Saki. Hello? Yes, go ahead. Don't mention my name. Just talk. Okay. Shh, my network is bad. Yes, go ahead.